Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add rules in Asana. So I'm currently here on Asana, and in order to add rules, you need to head over to a project. So I'm just going to head over to a sample project that I have here, just random projects that I have. So maybe this one, sample ones, because it's really clear. I don't need to use anything. So how do you add a rule? So don't mind me, I'm just going to add a task name just to a random task just to show you how it works here on Asana, because it's usually the task that gets added to rules. So what you need to do now is head over to customize on the top right corner of your screen, and then head to rules here, which is the lightning bolt icon. Click on add rule, and now you're gonna see some preset rules, but I'm not really gonna be there focusing on these ones for now. Let's focus on the custom rule. This one's really easy. So there's something called trigger and the action. So trigger is the cause and action is the effect. It's that simple. So let's say the task is marked as complete. The action is what happens if the task is marked as complete. So you can add whatever cause or effect you want. So you can see that this is an entitled section, and even if I check completed, it doesn't really do anything. So let's add another section for like completed task. Now let's do the rule again. Let's change this rule and then like change it to completed task. And as you can see, there's a lightning bolt next to the section title. That means there is rules for that section, and once you do click on the check, it will automatically be moved to the completed task. And that is how you add rules in Asana. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.